Hi everybody, Carl Larson here from RMCG and the Soil Wealth ICP team. Today down at the Koo Wee Rup demonstration site as part of our national network of demo sites. Now they do say it's a lazy wind around here, it goes through you rather than round you, and I must admit it is pretty brisk, but just today wanted to give you an overview of what's happening at the site and what we've been up to. So today we're undertaking some pre-plant pathogen soil testing to understand what types of soil-borne diseases might be present and what risks they might pose to the forthcoming crop, which is leek, which will be planted in early to mid-October. So we're going to gather those tests today, send them off to the lab, and get an understanding of what's been happening. What we have seen over the last 3 years though is generally an improvement in soil-borne disease pressure in the trial bays, which are just behind me here, compared to the control, which is over about 200 metres south of the trial bays. Now, what that means is the grower, Adam Schruers, has had less disease pressure in things like his leeks, so basil rot, but also in the celery crops that come in autumn and winter, things like blackheart and that type of thing. So a great win-win there. What I'd like to do today too is just do a separate little piece on how you might take soil samples. It's really quick and easy if you've got a few simple things, so watch out for that post in a little bit. I'm also just going to talk through some of the remote monitoring and weather station gear we've got here thanks to our partners at Metos ANZ. Just a little bit further in terms of what's going to happen from here, we'll get those results back, we'll then pair them with the gridded soil sampling and EM38 mapping to really look at how those underlying constraints and drainage issues that we've had, particularly just behind me in bays 1 to 4, are changing over time. And we've definitely seen an improvement in that in the last 3 years. As I mentioned, a leek crop will go in after this ryegrass has been sprayed off and terminated, you can see. That'll be incorporated and planted out, with leeks generally being harvested late February, early March next year in 2022. So great to be with you virtually, not in the field altogether, but we'll have more updates on the site and social media soon. Thanks everyone.